To start, you'll pop the hood. You'll notice on the back of the hood will attach to the surface. On most hoods, you won't need to do anything. If it's exceptionally thin, we've included an extra EPDM gasket to add thickness here, if necessary. To install the mount, slide the mount with the rubber touching the hood, and then screw the 3 screws. Then close the hood and attach the Trailblazer to the mount. Install the security screw and using the security screwdriver, and tighten the screw. Level the Trailblazer and finish tightening the screw. Confirm that it will not fall off, and then attach the cable. Route the cable as appropriate, and you will have installed your Trailblazer.